Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Number Color Club. We are going to be doing a K-Pop Demon Hunter special over the next few weeks. For today, we will start with Myra, Zoe and Rumi. This awesome trio is ready for action, but they need some color to power up. We'll begin with number 1, beige. This is the skin tone for our hunters' faces and necks. Next is number 2, brown. We are using this for small detail accents on their outfits. Now look for number 3, pink. This bright color is for their lips and small fashion details to make their expressions pop. Now for the hair and gear. Let's use number 4. Dark purple on the sleek hair of Zoe. Oops! We missed a brown for number 2. Moving to number 5, fuchsia. This vibrant shade is for the high ponytail and accents on Myra. Finally, number 6, purple fills in Rumi's braided hair and their main outfit pieces. Let's work on the background and titles. Number 7, turquoise is for the lower background sections to create a mysterious atmosphere. Next, pick up number 8, yellow. This sunny color is for the K-pop title at the top and the bright highlights at the bottom of the page. Time for the finishing touches. Number 9, black is for the bold outlines and sharp eyeliner to make the hunters stand out. Finally, we have number 10, gray. Our K-pop demon hunters look incredible and ready for the stage. What's your favorite K-pop song? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the club for more adventures. See you next time.